Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show to you how are you going to pay off your BPI credit card statement or billing statement and use BDO online to pay it off under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. So first and foremost, you have to go to your BPI app first to make sure that you know the amount that you are about to pay. So log in. Once you are logged in, go to credit cards and then BPI credit card, go to my statements and then select the statement date. So for me it's June 25, 2024. So download that. Then you will see a notification that it has really been downloaded. Then open that one. Then open that PDF file. It will not require you to put in a password because they already verified that you are the owner since you are able to log into BPI app. Now for this section, just focus on this section and take note of the amount that you are about to pay. So for me, the due date is July 15, so I have to pay it off because already July 6. I want to pay it off as early as possible so that I will have a good credit standing that I am paying off early as possible. So 25,550.41. I will take note of that. Then after that, I will be going now to my BDO online app. Open your app. It's gonna be loading. Okay, once it's loaded, you have to choose pay at the bottom, then pay bills. So there are two options here. I'm gonna show to you first if how are you going to search BPI credit card here. BPI, there you go, BPI credit card. And then just put in the account number and your account name here, and then the amount, and then pay from, and then notes. I will do that. Okay, but for me, since I'm already able to use this before, I already have here my favorites. I've added my account, my BPI credit card, so BPI Gold Mastercard. Here is my account already. I'm just gonna be putting up the amount, 25,550.41. Got it? Pay from, you will choose what account are you going to use to pay off. So I'm gonna be using my passbook individual account. There you go. And then it's very important that you put notes. So June 2024. BPI credit card payment. This is for your own reference as well. So I'm gonna be paying 25,550.41. Then just press pay. That's it. Here's the proof that there's no charge. So there you go. Just double check if the account is correct. Okay, so then I'll just have to confirm it. Oh good. Then you need biometrics or sometimes PIN. Okay. Okay, so there is a status here that your payment worth 25,550 to BPI credit is already paid. Next is you have to save this image as a proof. So actually that's it. When you're done with that, you are good to go. Expect 2 to 3 days, especially if you paid over the weekend just like me. I expect it to be reflected next week around Monday or Tuesday, or expect Tuesday or Wednesday latest next week since it's gonna be 2 to 3 banking days. Okay, so that's it for this video.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.